Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing display. Now you need to choose home screen, and over here click on select home. Now tap on easy home, select OK at the bottom right corner and wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. You can always turn it off by going into settings, selecting display one more time, then home screen, select home, and over here you can select home or home and app drawer. I will go with home only, so I will tap on it, select OK, and easy mode will be disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!